In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google account using a non-Gmail email address. This process is perfect if you already have an email account with another provider and would like to take advantage of Google's suite of services without creating a new Gmail address. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. Start by opening up your web browser and heading straight to Google Search. In the search bar, type "Create Gmail Account" and press Enter. This search will lead you to the right place to begin setting up your Google account. On the search results page, look for the link that says "Create a Gmail Account" and click on it. This link directs you to the initial account creation interface. Once you're on this page, you'll see an option labeled "Create Account." Click on it to get started. You'll be asked to specify the purpose of this new account. You can select either personal use or business, depending on what you intend to use it for. Next, you'll need to enter some personal information. This includes your first name and last name. It's important to make sure that these are entered accurately, as they are used for verification purposes down the line. After you've filled in your name, proceed by entering your birth date and gender, then click Next to move forward. Now comes the key part of using your non-Gmail email. Instead of creating a Gmail address, click on the option that says Use your existing email. This allows you to set up your Google account with an email address that you already own from a different provider. Enter your existing email address here, then click Next. Once you've done that, the next step is verifying your email. Google will send a verification code to the email address you provided. Head over to your email inbox and look for the message from Google containing the code. Enter this verification code on the setup page where requested. After your email is verified, you may be prompted to follow additional security steps. These can include phone number verification, where you'll receive a code via SMS, or CAPTCHA challenges that ensure you're not a bot. Complete these security steps carefully. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up a Google account with a non-Gmail email. This gives you access to Google services while still using your preferred email provider. Remember, this account setup ensures you can enjoy all that Google has to offer without the need for yet another new email address. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tutorials.